Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is -2, B is 2, C is 10 and D is -10. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve division and multiplication. So what you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both has similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now, move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket. But in our expression, we do not have any number which has the bracket or parenthesis. So we can skip this step here. Now move forward to solve the exponent part order of expression. So in this expression, we do not have any number which has the power. So we can skip that step as well. Now move forward to solve the division and multiplication, or you can say multiplication and division. So what you have to do, go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming. So now we have 20 divided by 10. So we have to solve this one. 10 minus 20 divided by 10 equals to 2 minus 20 and plus 10. We will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 20 divided by 10 equals to. Now move forward. Step number 3 we have solved. We do not have any number which has the exponent part or multiplication. Sorry, we do not have any number which has the division and multiplication. So now move forward for addition and subtraction, or you can say subtraction and addition. So we have same rule, just like a division and multiplication. We have to go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. So now we have 10 minus 2, which is equals to 8 minus 20. We will write as it is, and plus 10. Again, we have to write as it is. 10 minus 10 equals to 8. Now move forward. Again, we have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have 8 minus 20. So now we have 8 minus 20 equals to minus 12. Why minus? Because we have the minus sign with the larger number, which is minus 20. So that's why we will write minus. But the number has opposite sign, so we have to subtract these two numbers. So here we have 8 minus 20 equals to minus 12. Now we have two terms which has opposite in sign, so we have to subtract and get the answer is minus 2. So why minus 2? Because we have the minus sign with the larger number. That's why we will write like minus 2. So the answer of the given expression is minus 2. If you see, the answer A is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.